Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. Many people think you need Canva Pro for good designs, but actually, Canva provides many powerful text effects for free. Let's start step by step. Change background color. Go to Text. Select Heading, Write Text. Select Text and go to Top menu to change font style. Go to Effect. Here, you will see many different text effects that you can use. You can adjust the direction, blur, and transparency to make it look clean. Right-click. Click on Duplicate Page. Next is the glow effect. Now let's move to the echo effect. Echo creates multiple layers behind your text, giving it a creative and fun look. Now let's look at the hollow or outline effect. This effect removes the fill color and shows only the border of the text. Next, background effect. To change color, adjust roundness and spread area. Next is the splice effect. It creates an outline with a shadow effect, making your text stand out strongly. Now let's look at the hollow. This effect removes the fill color and shows only the border of the text. Now let's see the neon effect. Glow adds light around your text. This works best on dark backgrounds. Next is the glitch effect. Change color. Glitch gives a digital broken style effect to your text. Finally, we have the curve effect. Curve bends your text into a circular or curved shape. This is perfect for logos, badges, and stickers. Now bend opposite direction. So these are the best free text effects in Canva that you can use to improve your designs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.